Hello viewers, welcome to this session. Good morning everybody, everyone. I am going to talk about a character sketch of Charles Marlowe of Heart of Darkness of Joseph Conrad. Charles Marlowe is one of the important characters of Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, a great novelist of 20th century. Marlowe is a important character. He has important role to play in the novel. Marlowe represents the novelist himself, Conrad himself. Conrad speaks out his thoughts, his ideas, his views through Charles Marlowe in the novel. It is important to point out here that this novel is based on the journey of Conrad to Congo, Africa. Conrad went there and he wrote this novel based on his experiences that he had during his journey. So, Charles Marlowe represents Conrad himself in the novel. He is a good man, noble man. He sets out from the Thames River to the Congo in Africa. He has a few friends with him. Marlowe tells them his story. He faces many trials and tribulations during his ship journey to Congo. He has to wait for a long time for the favorable wind to start in the Thames River near London. Then the ship starts sailing. He goes on sailing throughout the Thames and Congo River to Africa. Marlowe comes across various people. First of all, he reaches the inner station of the of Africa, that is also known as the first station. Then Marlowe reaches the second station, that is known as inner station. At inner station, Charles Marlowe has to wait for a long time. His ship goes out of order and he has to wait over there for a long time. He meets many other people there. He has talked about courage, They say that Karj is a very good person, good man. There are two persons. One is the manager of the station, central station, and the other is a brick maker. They talk between two about Mr. Karj. They say that Karj is a gentleman, but he is a threat to their jobs. He is doing very well, but he is a great danger to their jobs. So Charles Marlowe becomes curious to know more and more about Mr. Karj or Kurj. Both the pronunciations are correct. He wants to meet Karj. After a long stay at the central station, Marlowe sets out for the outer station, that is also known as inner station of Africa. He reaches there. He finds strange things. He is surprised to find that the skulls of the people are hanging from the posts. Dead bodies are lying there. Congo looks dark. There is darkness all around. So he has a bitter experience. He sees darkness all around. Then Charles Marlowe goes to meet Mr. Karj. He finds that Karj is very ill. He is on the verge of death. He has become very lean and thin, and his face is changing oftenly. Mr. Karj gives some records to Mr. Charles Marlowe to keep with him, and he wants to take him with him to England so that Mr. Karj may survive, may live there healthily. Marlowe also comes to know that Africa is not good for health. The Europeans go there and they are infected with different diseases. Their lifespan comes down, and within 6 months they become very unhealthy, diseased. Mr. Karj is also victim to this disease. Marlowe also finds that the natives of Africa are in anger. They don't want that Mr. Karj should be taken away from them. The natives of Africa worship Mr. Karj as God, as a savior, while Mr. Karj is a European and he trades ivory from there, and he alone exports much of ivory from Africa. However, the Africans, the natives of Africans, worship him as God. Marlowe takes Mr. Karj with him. He puts him, he lies him over the board of the ship, and the ship starts sailing to London. But Mr. Karj dies on the boat. When Marlowe comes back, there is a beautiful girl who is mistress of Mr. Karj. She comes to Marlowe and asks. She is very sad to know that Marlowe is that Karj is no more in the world. He died. So the intended asks Mr. Marlowe, "Oh, Captain, tell me what was the last word that Mr. Kurz uttered?" Here Marlowe tells lies to please the intended, to please the lady who is mistress of Mr. Kurz. He tells her the last word that Mr. Kurz spoke was your name. She becomes very happy to listen her name through his mouth at the last moment. Marlowe comes there. He has the posture of Buddha. He is in meditative mood. To conclude, Mr. Charles Marlowe is a good character of Heart of Darkness. He is a spokesman of Conrad himself, the writer himself. It is an autobiographical novel. So, Charles Marlowe is what Joseph Conrad stands for. Charles Marlowe finds that there is darkness, or there was darkness, not only in Africa but also in England itself. He said that earlier the Romans came from Rome, Italy, and they enlightened the Britishers, the English. Earlier England was also dark, and the entire world is in the total darkness. That's all.